life. And those who look only to the past or the present are certain to miss the future. I said, are certain to miss the future.
Coño, I missed that.
Prime Minister.
Power level critical. Major systems offline.
Electricity is required to continue this war. Guess I shouldn't have made those budget cuts. My accounting suggests that I still need to find some rounds. Still outlive you. Really, I have only just begun. Patience brings down even the tallest of trees. SMG. Recommended use, short controlled burst to elicit maximum damage. This is how one stimulates progress. Just another day at the office. The use of nuclear deterrence is approved.
Level 2. War.
Period. To hell, demon spawn. Die again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Max ammo. Finally full. Bring on the ghouls. This gun does not suit my disposition, but it suits the situation. If only HUD could be so efficient. Just another day at the office. Try again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Double points. Ooh, good math.
Level 3. Power restored. Online. Security lockdown active.
0 times 2 is still 0. Creates a nauseating fog of war. Each zombie dead is another man living. All out. So be it. Know the way of all professions. Glasses heavy. Ergo, give me some rounds. See first with your mind, and then with your eye. I needed that. They didn't call me the Whiz Kid for nothing. This is how one stimulates progress. Really, I have only just begun. I said die! This is truth. Locked and loaded, and loving it.
detected on level 3. Initiate security protocol 111.
Guess I shouldn't have made those budget cuts.
Attention. Containment successful. System monitoring will remain on alert status.
An exponential solution. Run if you must, but you cannot hide from me, Fox. Really, I have only just begun. Back to hell, demon spawn. They didn't call me the Whiz Kid for nothing. Each zombie dead is another man living. This weapon, statistically, is insufficient to the task. I'm done with your insufferable cawing. I should be insulted, but my utilitarian nature prevents it. Now bring me a real challenge. Die again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Lesson number 8. Be prepared to re-examine your reasoning. Double points! Living dead? Maybe, but I'll still outlive you. Again, we have a single defense policy. Death to zombies! Back to hell, demon spawn! Your burning flesh warms my heart. Ooh, faster reloads are well worth the money spent. Line them up so I can knock them down. The infected's blood will paint these walls. Just begun. Each zombie dead is another man living. Die again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Set to kill.
We are now at DEFCON 2. We are now at DEFCON 3. We are now at DEFCON 4. Attention. We are now at DEFCON 5. Security lockdown lifted.
Reminds me of Lesson 6. Get the data. A weapon as powerful as the United States military. Remember my favorite Broadway show? I Dismember Mama!
Attention. We are now at DEFCON 1. Security lockdown. Warning. Breach detected on level 3. Initiate security protocol 115. Attention. Containment failure. System monitoring will remain on alert status.
I needed that. Don't lose your head.
Attention. We are now at DEFCON 1. Security lockdown.
They didn't call me the whiz kid for nothing. This is how one stimulates progress. Each zombie dead is another man living. They didn't call me the whiz kid for nothing. My accounting suggests that I still need to find some rounds. This will enhance my defense capabilities twofold. end, we have a single defense policy. Death to zombies! Be happy! Living dead? Maybe, but I'll still outlive you. They call me the whiz kid for nothing. Probability of you touching me again is 0. Just another day at the office. I will chop you up and feed you to the poor. All out. So be it. Double tap. Increases rate of fire by 30%. Execute.
Level 1, main floor.
Take it like that, zombie shit. Each zombie dead is another man living. This is how one stimulates progress. Die again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Know the way of all professionals. Really, I have only just begun. Take it like that, zombie shit. This is how one stimulates progress. Consider yourself itemized. We have a single defense policy. Death to zombies! It's nighttime. Yes, time to resupply. Like that, chumper. Piece by piece, you will fall. Appropriate medicine for an inappropriate ailment. This is how I deal with your offensive presence. Just another day at the office. This weapon has something to do. No unfinished business on my watch. Be it. I'll just dance a jig on your demon spawn. Progress. I've only just begun. Just another day at the office. Death machine.
Warning. Breach detected on level 3. Initiate security protocol 1.5. System monitoring will remain on alert status. Bonfire fail.
This better be worth it. Ah, well worth the wait.
Security lockdown active.
They didn't call me the whiz kid for nothing. Really, I have only just begun. Lesson number 8. Be prepared to re-examine your reasoning. I got this up, shock and awe. Each zombie dead is another man living. Living dead? Maybe, but I'll still outlive you. Demon spawn. go boom usually die. Now bring me a real challenge. Die again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Demon spawn. A cure for the living impaired. Brings down even the tallest. See first with your mind, and then with your eyes. Just another day in the office. They didn't call me the whiz kid for nothing. Things that go boom usually die. Each zombie dead is another man living. Death machine. Really, I have only just begun. This is how one stimulates progress. They didn't call me the whiz kid for nothing. Just another day at the office. Death to death!